The Galaxy S25 Ultra has officially arrived, bringing a host of updates that make it a strong contender in 2025's smartphone market. Here, we'll dive into 30 of its standout features and why this device is generating so much buzz. First, Samsung is offering attractive pre-order deals. Customers can get up to $900 in trade-in value and $300 in Samsung credit for storage upgrades, accessories, or Samsung Care. Additionally, using a specific link can secure an extra $50 in Samsung credit, raising the total to $350. Now, let's explore the exciting features of the S25 Ultra. 1. Audio Eraser Tool. The new AI-powered audio eraser allows users to eliminate unwanted sounds in videos, like background noise or wind. This feature works on files stored locally or in Google Drive, enabling seamless audio enhancements. 2. Improved shutter speed. Samsung has slightly enhanced the shutter speed for the S25 Ultra's camera, building upon the already impressive capabilities of its predecessor. 3. Anti-reflective display. With a 29% tougher front glass and an improved anti-reflective coating, the S25 Ultra is more durable than ever, offering better scratch and drop protection. 4. Slimmer bezels. The phone features 15% slimmer bezels, which provide a marginally larger 6.9-inch display while reducing the device's overall footprint. 5. PRC-ER display tech. Borrowed from Samsung TVs, this technology upscales low-resolution videos, making 480p content appear closer to 720p and 1080p content almost like 1440p. 6. Wireless charging upgrades. The S25 Ultra supports CH2 wireless charging. Using Samsung's official cases enables faster wireless charging speeds of up to 25 watts. 7. Samsung Google AI integration. Samsung and Google have collaborated to integrate Gemini AI with Bixby, enabling cross-app actions. For example, users can plan an event by finding a restaurant, texting the location, and creating a calendar entry, all with a single voice command. 8. Free Gemini Advanced Access. All S25 Ultra devices come with 6 months of Gemini Advanced and 2 terabytes of cloud storage at no additional cost, saving users $120. 9. Drawing Assist enhancements. The upgraded drawing tools allow users to generate images from prompts and refine sketches with AI-enhanced details. 10. Now Brief feature. The Now Brief delivers a personalized summary of essential information, like weather updates, energy scores, and reminders, in a scrollable format accessible from the lock screen. 11. Conversational search. Natural language search lets users ask questions like, "My eyes are hurting, can you help with the screen?" The phone then adjusts settings such as brightness and blue light filters. 12. Seamless zoom transitions. Camera zoom transitions are now smooth and lag-free, enhancing the user experience. 13. Expert RAW app updates. The Expert RAW app now allows aperture adjustments for greater control over depth of field in photos. 14. Ultra-wide camera boost. The ultra-wide camera jumps from 12MP to 50MP, significantly improving macro photography and ultra-wide shots. 15. Video enhancements. The S25 Ultra now records 10-bit HDR videos by default and supports Galaxy Log, akin to RAW for photos, for detailed video editing. 16. AI nightography. Low-light video recording sees a major upgrade, capturing more detail and clarity in night videos. 17. Spatial temporal filtering. This feature reduces motion blur for moving objects and noise in static areas, improving overall video quality. 18. Best face feature. The camera selects the best facial expression from motion photos, ensuring the perfect shot. 19. Design overhaul. The S25 Ultra adopts a flat-sided frame with rounded corners, larger rear camera lenses, and a lighter, thinner build for better ergonomics. 20. 7 years of updates. Samsung promises 7 years of operating system updates, ensuring longevity for the device. 21. AI-driven features. New tools include GIF creation, image reimagining, and enhanced web page summarization with text-to-speech functionality. 22. Circle to search. This feature identifies sounds from videos or social media posts, such as songs, for easy recognition. 23. Battery improvements. The S25 Ultra offers an extra hour of video playback, which, while modest, adds value. 24. Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Powered by a custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, the phone delivers a 40% performance boost with improved heat management.